I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in today's video we are going to be doing another LUSH Q&A. You guys asked me a lot of questions in regards to LUSH, my favourite products, working for LUSH, my opinions on things. So I like to do a LUSH themed Q&A probably once every like 2 or 3 months, and I just thought it was time to do another. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do. We are on our way to 9,500 of you, which is absolutely insane. I am going to be announcing a giveaway winner as soon as we hit 10k, so make sure you subscribe so you can be involved in that. If you haven't seen the video, it is on my channel. But yes, without further ado, let's jump into the questions. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first question is, what LUSH shampoo would you recommend for coloured hair that won't wash it out as much? Now, that's quite a hard question to answer because it completely depends on the dye that was used. Was it salon? Was it box dye? Was it fashion colours, so blue, pink, purple, etc.? Personally, I would just avoid anything with a lot of sea salt or harsh citrus kind of oils and things like that in it. So don't use I Love Juicy and don't use Big. Like, go for something really gentle on the hair. Coconut rice cake, angel hair, honey I wash my hair, fairly traded honey, and that kind of vibe. Hopefully that'll work for you. I have personally never really had an issue with any LUSH shampoo stripping my hair apart from Big, and I used Big when I was deliberately trying to wash out colour. So yeah, apart from that, I don't find them that stripping at all, but obviously it is personal preference. Depends on your hair, how porous it is and that kind of thing. So yeah, those are the ones I'd recommend. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know down below. So the next question is, can you recommend a great hair product for an oily scalp and dry curly ends? I feel like this again is a very hard question to kind of hit on the head with one product, simply because if you've got an oily scalp, you're going to need something totally different to what your ends is going to need. So I would go for something like I Love Juicy shampoo, but really focus it on the scalp. Do not wash your hair with shampoo from like here down. I really just focus my shampoo in my scalp, rinse it through, and then put conditioner probably to about here. I would go for something like Candy Rain conditioner, something quite rich, and then always follow up with a moisturizing kind of oil, serum, and that kind of thing. I really like the Renee scalp souffle thing. I use that at the end, on the ends of my hair, as like an oil and a balm. I also really like the Curl Power curling cream if you need like a styling product. Those are the sorts of things that I use, and I find it works really well for my curly hair. Give it a try, get some samples, and let me know down below if that helps at all. But yeah, hopefully that's kind of the best thing to go for. So the next question is, which bath bomb would you discontinue right now and why? And that's quite a hard question because I feel like I really enjoy most bath bombs. The one that I don't really like the smell of, in my opinion, I don't really like it, is that 420, is that what it's called? That CBD style green and pink bath bomb. I really don't like the smell. I've personally not used it. I know a lot of people do like it. It's very relaxing and very calming, but for me, I just don't like the smell. So that's probably the one I would get rid of. So I do apologise if you love it. The next question is, if you had to only have one LUSH shower gel for the rest of your life, which would it be and why? If it had to be something in the core range right now, I would probably have to go with Sleepy, just because I absolutely love the smell of Twilight. You guys know Twilight is my favourite apart from Plum Rain, so I'd probably go with Sleepy. But obviously if it was like a shower gel that I have in my collection, Plum Rain, hands down. Sadly got discontinued. I'm still really heartbroken about it, but yeah. The next question is, favourite shampoo bar and why? And that is an easy question for me. New shampoo bar is my ultimate favourite. It's very good to help your hair grow. It's full of cinnamon, peppermint. I love it so much. It's my favourite shampoo bar of all time ever, and if they ever discontinue it, I will happily buy a box of like 50 because they are so good and I just absolutely love it. And I haven't used it in a while actually, and I am trying to grow my hair, so maybe I should go back to using that. But yeah, just love it. So good. 10 out of 10. Best shampoo bar ever. The next question is, do you recommend the solid deodorants? Now that's a really hard question because for me, I just cannot get on with them. So I would never say to somebody, you need to try the LUSH deodorants, they're amazing, because I cannot get them to work for me. I know a lot of people love them, especially Aromaco, because it's creamy and it's got a soft texture, but I just cannot make it work. I don't like them. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the smell, maybe it's the way it works, I don't know. Maybe if it was in like a recyclable case or something, I would use it more, but I just personally can't get on with it. So I'm gonna have to say no, but let me know down below if you love them, because maybe I need to give them another try. It's been a while, so let me know down below your thoughts on the solid deodorants. The next question is, what Lush product do you wish they would bring back permanently? And that is a hard question, because I have a lot of products that I used to absolutely love and they've got rid of, such as Plum Rain Shower Gel, the Comforter Shower Cream, Yuzu and Cocoa Shower Cream, Yuzu and Cocoa Bubble Rune. I also really love the Magic of Christmas Bubble Wand at Christmas time, Cinder's Bath Bomb, So White Bath Bomb. All of these products have been like gone and I'm so upset, so probably all of those. If I had to just bring back one, I would probably say Yuzu and Cocoa Shower Cream, which I know is probably surprising, but I have got a good hoard of Plum Rain, so yeah, probably Yuzu and Cocoa Shower Cream and Plum Rain Shower Gel if I had to pick two. The next question is, can you use body lotion as body conditioner? That is quite a difficult question to answer, because I would never recommend it, only because the formula of the body lotions is not enough to kind of stick to the skin in the shower, personally. Like when you rinse them out, you can kind of see it all breaking up and going a bit weird, so I personally would not suggest using them in the shower. Obviously, if you want to try it, feel free, let me know down below how you get on with using them in the shower, but I personally would never recommend it, just because that's not what they're made for. There's a lot of products that you can use for other things, but body lotion as body conditioner, probably not a good situation, do you know what I mean? So the next question is, what are the products you can't wait to try from the Christmas range this year? Now, if you guys saw my upload, I uploaded the entire Christmas range onto my channel. I bought the whole thing. It was £200, which is gross, but looking at my collection now, I've still got them in the box over on my floor. I need to put it all away. I would have to say I'm so excited to try the Jolly Shower Gel, Plum Duff Shower Gel, the Cinnamon Roll, Bubble Bar, ooh, what else? The Golden Pudding Bath Bomb and the Hey Hollywood Bath Bomb smell amazing, so I'd have to say those. I need to put all that away. It's still just chilling on my floor, but that's just my life. I never put things away. So the next question is, what are your top 3 shampoos? Now, that's really hard. I would have to say new shampoo bar, 100%. You guys know I rave about it too much, but it is my absolute favourite. Big Shampoo, I absolutely love the sea salt exfoliation on my scalp. It just makes it feel incredibly clean and it gives my hair so much amazing volume. And then I would have to say maybe the Coconut Rice Cake shampoo bar or the Angel Hair shampoo bar. I'm a massive shampoo bar advocate. I love them, so I'd probably go for one of those. I used to really love Blousey, but that's discontinued now, so yeah, probably one of those. The next question is, what product is your favourite from the Halloween range? And I would have to say the lip scrub, 100%. The lip scrub is so good. I have continuously eaten it. It tastes amazing. It's lime, but when you like lick it off your lips, it has like a really lovely sour lime taste to it. It's just so good. So good. So I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. That is amazing. So good. The next question is, what is the best way to store your Lush products? Now, that's a really interesting one, because I personally don't know if I love the way I store my Lush products, simply because I'm running out of room. I have a set of Alex 9 drawers and I kind of have them in some sort of order. It's getting to that point now though where I have to kind of shove everything in there wherever it fits, because I have too much stuff. Especially with the new Christmas stuff, I'm looking at it thinking it's not going to fit in those drawers. However, I do wish I had maybe some deeper drawers to put things in, or some shelves. I don't know. I think when I get my own house and I have a lot more space, I will kind of put a lot of it in the bathroom, especially like the shower gels, body scrubs, that kind of thing. And then I'll probably put all my bath products in one drawer somewhere. I don't know. Let me know down below how you store all your products. I do wrap mine in cling film, not gonna lie. I know it is awful for the environment and I will reuse it as much as possible, but I haven't found any other way to kind of keep the things fresh. So let me know down below if you know how to do that. I would love some tips and tricks on it, because I don't particularly love my setup at the moment. So yeah, let me know down below if you have any tips because I am stuck. The next question is, what would you say your favourite bubble bar is? And that is a really hard question because I don't really buy, I was about to say I don't really buy a lot of Lush stuff, that's a joke. I don't really tend to go into Lush when the core range is just out on its own, only because I buy a lot from the collections. I buy all the collections, so I don't feel the need to go in there all year round and just like stock up because I have a lot. But I would say the Comforter and Bright Side together, it's so good. It smells like tropical amazingness, and I promise you, if you've not tried this combo, please try it. It is so good. Cut each bubble bar into maybe 6 pieces. No, you could definitely get more out of that. Maybe cut them into like 10 pieces and then use a piece of each, and it's just so beautiful. The water is beautiful, the smell is beautiful, it's so good. Honestly, I highly recommend it. If you've not tried it, let me know down below when you do try it. It's so good. So good. The next question is, what are your must-haves from the Christmas range this year, as there is so much to choose from? Now, obviously I've told you what my favourites that I'm kind of most excited to try, but looking at it now, I would probably say Yog Nog Shower Gel, Snow Fairy Bubble Bar, Cinnamon Roll Bubble Bar, Hey Hollywood Bath Bomb, the Golden Pudding Bath Bomb, and maybe the Snowball Bath Bomb, if I had to pick a couple. I love it all, and it completely depends on your like scent preferences, but yeah, I'd probably say those. If you want to go and get a few things, get some of those because they're just so good. The next question is, if you could design your own Lush product, what would you make and why? That is a really interesting question and very hard because I've not really thought about it much. I'd probably do something hair care related, maybe a liquid version of new shampoo. I do know that the wasabi one is really good at helping hair grow, but I don't particularly love the smell. So maybe like a liquid version of new shampoo and a conditioner to go with it. That would be amazing. Just a whole hair growth range. That is something I would really enjoy. So I know that's not really one answer, but that is probably what I would want to do. The next question is, which scent would you like Lush to make in a candle? Lord of Misrule. Yeah, Lord of Misrule. Can you imagine a Lord of Misrule candle? Oh, that would be so good. Yeah. Lord of Misrule, 100%. The next question is, good Lush products for curly hair. I would have to say Curl Power, 100%. I know that Lush have released a whole curly hair range, and I do really want to get the range and use it all in a routine and kind of review it for you guys. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see, and I will do it. Obviously, they're quite expensive, so I might buy it over the next few months or maybe put it on my Christmas list, but definitely let me know if that's something you'd like to see. But Curl Power is the best product ever. Try it, thank me later, it's brilliant. The next question is, do you prefer the Lush Fresh and Flowers box or the Lush Kitchen box? That is a really hard question because I love the Lush Kitchen box so much because all the products are, they're not products you need to use within a certain amount of time, and I really like that because I add it to my collection, I use it when I feel necessary, and it's really fun and just different, and obviously you can't buy those products in store. But I really am enjoying the Fresh and Flowers box because it makes me use a lot more Lush products, especially on my skin. I have noticed a massive difference in my skin since doing more face masks, more cleansers. I'm not gonna lie, a few months ago, I'm very lazy. I used to use face wipes all the time, maybe moisturise, and that was it. But now I'm cleansing, I'm using face masks, and it's all thanks to that box. So I'd have to probably go for the Fresh and Flowers only because it's made me more wary of my skincare routine, but the kitchen box is so good. If you don't think you'll use a face mask very frequently, go for the kitchen box because you always get a face mask in the Fresh and Flowers and it is quite hard to use it up, so yeah. So the next question is, are you going to be filming a Lush Christmas gift guide again this year? Now, I did one last year because I did the 12 days of Lushmas. I don't think I'm going to be doing that again this year because it was a lot of work, and I felt that towards the end of it, the views kind of went down a lot. I know it's not all to do with views, but I just feel like it might have been a bit too much. However, if you guys want a Lush Christmas gift guide, let me know. I have planned, all my videos until 2022, which is insane. I'm one of those people, and I haven't put it in there, but if it's something you'd like to see, I can definitely swap something out. and film it, so let me know down below if that is something you would like and what kind of vibe you want it to be. The next question is, what is the best liquid conditioner for dry hair? I would have to say Candy Rain. Before Candy Rain existed, I probably would have said Retread or American Cream, but they were never heavy enough for me. Candy Rain is really, really good, and it smells insane. It smells incredible. I absolutely love it. So if you haven't tried that, do give it a try and maybe get a sample as opposed to buying a whole bottle just in case you don't like it, but it is really, really good. I love it. The next question is, you can only have one Lush product, what would it be? And I probably would have said Plum Rain shower gel, but actually thinking about it, there are other brands of shower gel that I do like. So I'd probably have to go for New Shampoo Bar, because there is no other shampoo bar from any other brand that works as well as New Shampoo Bar as far as I'm aware. Let me know down below if you know any good hair growth shampoos out there. I have tried a few, especially shampoo bars. I really enjoy them. I know there is a rice water one, but I can't remember for the life of me what brand that was from or whether it works, so I'd love to know down below if you've tried that. But yeah, New Shampoo Bar, just amazing. And the last question I'm going to answer in this video is a product that everyone loves but you hate. That is a hard one, because I feel like I just don't really like earthy scents, so I really don't like that matcha roll smell. I've not actually tried it in my bath, so maybe it'll be different in the bath, but I really don't like that. That dinosaur bath bomb that came out, I absolutely hated that. Aquamarina cleanser, gross, absolutely despise that as well. So I'd probably say that. I also really don't like the Olive Branch, which I know is a very popular shower gel. It's just too liquidy for me, and I don't really like the smell. It's just a bit average, not my vibe. So I'll probably go with those. But yeah, don't hate me, just not my favourite. So that is everything for this Q&A video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below if you've got any questions. I replied to every single comment, so do let me know down below if you've got any Lush questions or anything about anything. Just let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I appreciate you guys so, so much. Obviously, if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, we are on our way to 9,500, which is absolutely incredible, and I would really love to hit 9.5k by the end of the year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!